Right, it's a quick demo of using the BCM to control the Simple Cycler, which has been reprogrammed to act as a dumb slave. So all we've got at the moment is an extra connection on the ICSP pins. So I've just made a little connector, so we're going to use those lines, or two of those lines, to control the Simple Cycler. And we've got a little tiny board here, bit of breadboard with a couple of opto isolators. That's to keep that separate from the BCM circuits, and that'll be incorporated onto the printed circuit board we're getting done. So then we come into the Simple Cycler, and the connection just goes onto the ICSP pins in here. It's just 3 wires. So I've disabled the LCD and the button, so the LCD output on the board has now been designated as an input, and it's just pulled up to +5 volts with a 4K7 resistor and a 0.1 off capacitor just to stabilize that. So that's where one of the inputs goes into from the ICSP line, and the other line goes onto the button line, which has already got a 10K pull up and a 0.1 off capacitor. So that's basically 2 high-low inputs, and that's all that it needs. So it's turned on. I'm in charger or Simple Cycler mode. Now with the battery off, even if I select to mode 1 on here, and it says it's activating the charger, the Simple Cycler won't activate because it can't detect the battery as being connected. Just a sort of extra safety feature. So I'll turn it off, and if I turn the battery on, now if we go back to the commands, select mode 1, and then we can hear the click. The Simple Cycler is now active. It's charging up to 300 milliamps, and obviously counting current, etc, etc. So I can turn that straight off, drop straight off, go into mode 2, discharger mode, and you can see the red LED. Discharger is now active, and again touch the control and we're off again. So that is a demo of the BCM based Simple Cycler controlling, or BCM based voltage tap display gizmo, whatever we're going to call it, controlling the Simple Cycler, which has been reprogrammed very simply to act as a dumb slave. So that's where we are at the minute. Bit of a rat's nest, but you get the idea.